Hello and welcome to this new video series on Realm and SwiftUI. In this video series, what we're going to be learning basically is how to use Realm data store instead of core data and SQLite to basically persist your data onto disk. Now, Realm is an open source database that is available for mobile, and it's actually extremely fast, extremely performant, and making and working with it is absolute fun. So in this video course, you're going to be learning how you can actually create a Realm backed app, and for the purpose of this, for the learning purpose and to make it more practical, we are going to be creating this grocery shopper app, and this app is going to be built using SwiftUI. By the way, the way we are going to code this app, you can very well take the logic, the core logic, the business logic, and move it in and use it with UI kit. That is gonna work absolutely fine. We are using SwiftUI only for persistent, only for UI. Okay. Next, basically, one more thing I want to point out is that we're going to be using Swift Package Manager instead of CocoaPods to basically manage our dependencies, and you're going to see how easy it is to use Swift Package Manager within your apps to resolve dependencies or add dependencies and stuff. All right, so let's take a look at the app itself. So we have a simple list where user can basically add items, the things that they want to buy. So they can click on add item. They can put a title, so let's say milk. Okay, they can update the quantity. We show a picker view to show the quantity. They can choose, like, however many quantity they want. They can put some notes and save that item. Now when they save this item, it's actually saved inside a Realm data store. Okay, and from there they can add a few more items. So let's say if they forgot to basically add more stuff in there, or update more quantity they want to update, maybe 4 and breakfast, basically for the notes. They can update the item. So you would see, how the view changes from save to update, and we're going to see how we can utilize the same view to do both operations. Now when they have actually purchased the item, they can actually click on this orange button or circle right here. It's already in the cart now, and they can do that for all of them, and we show a default empty state to basically show user what actions they can do when their shopping cart is empty. Okay, they can delete these items from there if they don't want to see that anymore, and we have basically an empty state for this already in cart section as well. Okay, so this whole entire app we're going to be creating in this video series, so hope you're excited. Once again, we're going to be covering Realm, SwiftUI, and Swift Package Manager within this video series. Okay, so I'll see you guys in next video where we're going to get started. Thank you.